Hello everybody. Today I'm giving you a quick little tutorial on how to create a torus, which is a sacred geometry symbol that I plan on using in at least one of my future tutorials. My compass is set to a 1/2 inch radius, which is going to give me a 1 inch diameter for my center circle. Now if you're doing the torus, you want that center circle a lot lighter. You want to be able to erase that and not see it at all. I have it dark specifically so that it's visible. So this starts just like the seed of life. So the seed of life starts with one circle in the middle, and now we're going to draw 6 evenly spaced circles around that center circle, giving us a total of 7. You can see how I am putting my compass point right at the intersection where the last circle and the original middle circle meet. And now I have a beautiful seed of life. Looks like a flower. Now we would leave it just like that if we were doing the seed of life, but we're going to do a torus. So we need to create another set of circles directly between the first set. And we're going to find that mid mark on the center circle by matching the converging point of the outer circles with the one directly across from it. I know it sounds a little confusing, but if you watch what I'm doing here, you see how those 2 points meet up right through the center. And when I draw the line, it actually cuts that inner circle right in half. I'm putting the marks on each one of them. You can probably get away with just doing the first one and then going from there, but I would have gotten very confused, so I put the lines. Now each of those points, that's what we're going to be working off of. So I'm putting my compass point right there in the center, getting a good grip, and creating my next circle. So that's the first part of my torus. And following the little line, I'm going to that intersection and I'm drawing my next circle. Coming to the next line, I'm doing my third one, next line. And you can see I got a little bit off here. Those marks are not exactly matching up, but we're not building a bridge, so I'm not concerned. Okay, it's good enough. Next line, we're going right there and drawing our circle. And now we have one more. And this is going to be our last circle for our torus. Now, like I said before, that middle circle does not belong in the torus. So originally I wouldn't have made it that dark. So we're going to see it right now. It's just going to look a little messy. But I'm erasing my lines, my diagonal lines, and I'm also lightening up that center mark. Because when I put this on the stone, it needs just the torus, and this is what I want. Okay? And I also would not draw it this dark. I would actually make it a lot lighter. So I have it on the stone here. I practiced, and you can see how I slid here and there. It was a little tricky, and I had, little problems where I had to keep going back and finding my point. And you can see, if you look closely to the stone, you can see that I have a lot of little pock marks and all there, but that's okay. They get covered up with the paint. And now I'm drawing the diagonal lines so I can create the torus. And when I'm done, I'm going to erase as much of it as possible, leaving just the little hints that I need. I hope this was helpful. Try it out on some paper, get used to it, and you'll be ready for my next tutorial. So until then, take care, be good, be safe, and keep going. Bye-bye.